here and I love it at home. Then we don't have another copy. Give the belly turn down there, the ball turn on the belly. The most dangerous position on the airplane. Follow that World War II music. There are a few of us around here that remember World War II.
With a wingspan of 103 feet 9 inches, that's only 17 feet shorter than the first flight of the Wright brothers in December of 1903 at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. A length of 79 feet 9 inches, a crew of 10. And when they got up to altitude, that airplane was not heated. It was cold. The crew members literally had to wear electric suits. They would put on special undergarments with electric wires running in. Then they would put on sheepskin overgarments to keep them warm, and they would literally plug themselves into the electrical system of the airplane to keep warm. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen, at the B-17G, the Super Fortress.
I'd like to remind you, no smoking around the aircraft. A sentimental journey from Mason Field, Melbourne Field in Mesa, Arizona. That's
By the way, I call it the Super Fortress. It's the flying fortress.
Well, Super Fortress was the B-29.
Also built by Boeing.
It got that name, Flying Fortress, from the newspaper. Sentimental journey, and we remember.
That's it.
Of the 12,000 plus B-17s built.
Who have served their country in the sky with a grateful heart and one.
Not the reporter who has given us freedom of the press. It is the soldier and not the poet who has given us freedom of speech. It is the soldier, not the campus organizer, who has given us the freedom to demonstrate. It is the soldier who salutes our flag, who serves beneath our flag, and whose coffin is draped by our flag, who allows the protester to burn our flag.
I don't know what it is. We are full on guns. I love it.
How about a great great round of applause for a wonderful demonstration.
By the way, we're not peddling these, we're just telling you if you want it. You cannot believe the people that write us or call us and wanted to know what that song was and where we could get it. So we're letting you know.